how does the Muslim account for different versions of the Quran? Does this make all the versions lies, as you claim the Bible is?
I repeat, there is no such thing as different versions of the Quran. I said there are translations. Yours are versions. Brother Swagart, in the previous question he answered, he said, look, there are 7 spurious books in the Dewey version. 7 spurious means which he rejects. So it's a version. There are 7 books out of this which he is not prepared to accept as the word of God. Whereas every Quran in the world translated is God translated. And you have a choice of words, but they are not versions. This is a version. This is a version. Sentence are thrown out what's in here. Different version. I hope you understand my English. You know, I don't know how simpler I can put it to you. That the things are varying. What is in here? 7 books? Not in here. What is in here is not in there. What is in here is taken out from there again. Can you see? It's a version. I hope. I don't know.